All right, so now that you have some tasks assigned to yourself, either by someone else or you've done them for yourself, what I'd like to show you is how you can actually update these in bulk, right? So there's a couple of things you can do. You can either go through and delete each one or edit each task, but you might find that that's time consuming, or you've taken a bunch of things off your to-do list and there's a bunch of tasks sitting in there that you feel like, I just need to get these off my list and get them out of my hair. So we've got some great bulk update features, and here's one way to do it. You can select all by clicking the big box, the check box up there, uh, which selects everything, or I can select tasks individually that I want to take off the list. But what you notice is that as I start checking these things, these little boxes will show up and it'll ask me if I want to delete these that I've checked or if I want to update these. And what's cool is before that, you'll see that they're also grayed out, right? So prior to checking those boxes, you can't actually do a heck of a lot with those. So we're going to check the ones that we want to update. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Update Task. It's going to take me to another window here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, well, include this field in the bulk update. So that means that what I'm doing is I want to make sure that this is something that gets marked and saved when I make the change. So now I'm going to say, instead of these being not started or in progress, I've done all these things. I want to get them off my hair or get them out of my hair. Or the other thing you might do is you might say, hey, I want to assign these to somebody else because this is more of a Randy or an Evan task that needs to be accomplished. Um, and so that's one of the ways in which you can really use this task management feature as a really powerful tool. So in this case, you can also change the priority from normal to high as well. But in this case, and for this example, I'm just going to say I've completed these tasks. I'm going to include this field in the bulk update. I'm going to make sure that box is checked, and then I'm going to click Save. And you're going to see here in a moment that now those things are off my list and they've been marked completed. And now the thing I just haven't completed yet is still sitting here in my task box.